All right, let's go fishing. So when you're coming out here, always pay attention to the tides. This ocean is alive and well. I don't actually have to go too deep out there, although I'm wearing my waders. I'm not really going to get up to my waist. I'm cool with that, because to get these perch, you don't really have to go that deep. Alright, so we're only going to fish this area for a few minutes. And if I'm not getting any bites over here, then we're going to go a little bit down. Right now we're dealing with the COVID-19. I decided to come out here solo and try not to have too much human interaction, or none at all for that matter. People are freaking out. I'm going to catch me some fish. Alright, so I'm fishing with a Quantum Valiant pole, and I've got the Quantum Valiant reel with the anti-slip clutch.
Kind of like G.I. Joe with the Kung Fu grip.
So we're running off the Narvaez of the Northwest cam today. First time I put one on my chest, so let's see how this works out. Like I said, keep your eyes on the water. Ocean is powerful. A little mightier. A little mightier and stronger. Whether I catch a fish or not, doesn't matter. As long as I'm having a good time. But it does matter. I do get hungry. Remember, I did this once in Alaska, in Kodiak. I was fishing like this, right off 7 Mile Beach. And all of a sudden a salmon shark, about 6.5 feet long, swam right next to me, almost grazed my leg. At that point I was like, all right, I'm done with the surf fishing for the day. Ouch. Right in the gonads. Should have wore a cup. Come on, give me some action. I gotta watch these sneaker waves. That wasn't so much one of them, but that one was a little bit bigger than the rest. All right, last cast in this neighborhood. We saw the head of a seal pop out of the water, real close to us. That's cool. Maybe he's chasing fish. Had another bite. Woo! Now the ocean almost looks like glass. Now the bigger rollers are coming back. And it looked like they just disappeared. But yeah, right. Alright, come on fish, let's go. Can't be here all night. It's a 3-hour drive home. So far today, all I've gotten was a Dungeness crab. A teeth over 6 inches. Usually when they're right at 6, I just throw them back. Let somebody else catch them later. Or maybe I'll catch them when they're 7 or 8. But yeah, today it was slim pickings. So, it's in the bucket. I'm going to give this about 10 more minutes. Woohoo! Remember, always keep your eye on the ocean, alright? You don't want to be lollygagging around, looking at the whole beach, wasting time over here, and stuff will be sneaking up on you. It's coming at us. Pretty good. Like this one. Breakers! Woohoo! Now, although I didn't catch any fish in this episode, I still was able to get out of the neighborhood, go spend some time by myself, practicing the social distancing, and It's been a week since then. Now I'm actually staying at home where I should be. So to all my friends out there, be safe, stay strong, and stay healthy. Signing out, the Northwest Adventurer. And if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.